NASA's secret mission has uncovered a reality that could shake the very foundations of our existence. The world was told that Venus is a hellscape, a planet where sulfuric acid reigns and temperatures soar to 900 degrees. But NASA's unreleased files tell a different story. Beneath those swirling toxic clouds, they found something that cannot be natural. Artificial structures, geometrical layouts, and the unmistakable ruins of an ancient civilization. Are we truly the first inhabitants of Earth? Or are we merely a remnant race that fled here to escape the destruction of Venus? Today on Orbit Odysseys, we pull back the curtain that NASA has kept over our eyes for the last 50 years. Science textbooks tell us that billions of years ago, Venus was exactly like our Earth. Blue oceans, cool breezes, and a stable atmosphere. But then something happened. Something that turned that paradise into an inferno in an instant. In the 1970s, when the first Soviet probe Venera landed there, it functioned for only 127 minutes before melting. But in those 127 minutes, the data it gathered was quickly classified by NASA. Those signals contained symmetry. NASA's top-secret radar mapping has seen patterns in the Tesserae regions of Venus that are a 90% match for the urban layouts of Earth's cities. These aren't just mountains. These are dead cities, the graveyard of a civilization that was perhaps far more advanced than ours. The question is, where did they go? This is where the story gets even more chilling. NASA insiders suggest that the catastrophe that struck Venus wasn't entirely natural. It was a runaway greenhouse effect, the exact same path we are currently treading on Earth. Is it possible that billions of years ago, the inhabitants of Venus destroyed their own planet? And when their home became uninhabitable, they migrated to a new world? That world was our Earth. Those we think of as aliens might actually be our ancestors. Our history books talk about Adam and Eve, or evolution. But NASA's secret discoveries suggest we are an interplanetary species that arrived here after destroying our first home. Why is NASA hiding this? Because if this truth comes out, our entire global system would collapse. Religion, science, and politics would all be called into question. But the scariest part is that signals are still being detected within the clouds of Venus. Heat signatures that change position every year. Is someone still alive down there? Or perhaps are they watching us? Watching as we repeat the same mistakes they made billions of years ago. Friends, Venus is our past, and if we don't change our ways, Earth will become our future. What do you think? Are we the true descendants of Venus? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this mystery, subscribe to the channel and don't miss our next video, where we disclose what NASA has truly discovered on Mars. Thank you for staying with Orbit Odysseys.